Hello, my name is James Hari Putra from the Informatic Engineering Study Program. I will tell you a little story of the Islamic Center. Check this out. Islamic Center Mosque is the second largest mosque in Indonesia after the Istiqlal Mosque, Jakarta. The history of the mosque began to be built on July 5, 2001, which was marked by the pressing of the button for the erection of the first pillar by the 5th President of the Republic Indonesia, Megawati Soekarno Putri. After going through a development process for approximately 7 years, this mosque was finally inaugurated by the 6th President of the Republik Indonesia, Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono. This mosque has a typical Turkish style combined with elements of Europe, the Middle East, and Indonesia. You can see the combination of various architectural styles from the dome which adapt the dome model of the Hagia Sophia Mosque in Turkey. The placement of high and majestic gates characterizes the typical Asian European styling building. The tower design was inspired by the minaret of the Prophet's Mosque Medina. In general, there are three main parts of the mosque with their respective function. In the first part, with a place for parking vehicle, toilet, and place for ablution, while the second part is the ground floor, which is used both for meeting rooms, a seminar, wedding reception, and tabligh akbar. The third part of the mosque in the main prayer room for the congregation. When you enter the main room, you will pass 33 steps, which means on the third of the number of beats. After passing the stairs, you will see the mosque foyer was designed is very luxurious. The foyer is decorated with crystal candeliers and unique wall lamps bearing Arabic calligraphy. This main room displays a majestic and soothing impression. The use of granite material on the floor with a choice of light beige color accented with the black vertical line is increasingly integrated with the dark colored mihrab walls. Not only that, in the mosque area there are 7 minarets on each side. Of the 7 towers, there is one main tower with a height of 99 meters consisting of 15 floors, where each floor is an average of 6 meters high. The height of the main tower symbolizes Asmaul Husna, or the names of Allah, which is 99 in number. Therefore, on the other wall of the main tower there is an ornament with other pronunciation of Asmaul Husna, which is covered with granite with the technique of making water jets. At the night, the Islamic Center Mosque looks very beautiful. This is because the lights are lit from each mosque building. Therefore, the view of the Islamic Center Mosque at night is also one thing what you should not miss when visiting this edgy city. As the second largest mosque in the southeast area, this mosque has very complete facility. Among them, cleansing room, bathroom or WC, sound system and multimedia, secretariat office, cooperative, special room for the person with disabilities, shoe or slipper storage, garden, parking, multipurpose building, canteen, library, education facility. That's enough. Thank you.